Good morning, everyone. Eye is one of our most important sense organs. The eye enables us to see the beautiful world around us. Let us discuss more about the wonderful sense organ of the body. The eyelids act as the shutters of the eyes and protect them from shocks, injuries, and bright light. The eye has an eyeball which is spherical in shape, and there is a white plate all around it. The structure and function of each part of the eye are as follows. First, a sclera is the outermost covering of the eye. It protects the vital internal parts of eye. Second is choroid, is the dark grey pigmented layer of the eye. It is richly supplied with blood vessels. Cornea is the front portion of the eye. It is transparent, that covers bulge on the surface of the eyeball. Light enters the eye through the cornea. Iris is a thin circular structure located just behind the cornea. It regulates the amount of light entering the eye by adjusting the size of the pupil. Pupil is the hole in the middle of the iris. Size of the pupil decreases or increases depending upon the intensity of light entering the eye. Eye lens is made up of a transparent jelly-like substance which is made up of proteins. It is held in position by the ciliary muscles and the suspensory ligaments. They adjust the focal length of the eye so that we can see distant and nearby objects clearly. The ability of the eye to focus on distant and nearby objects by changing the focal length is called accommodation. Aqueous humor is a viscous liquid filled in the area between the cornea and eye lens. Retina is the innermost delicate membrane, having a large number of cells called rods and cones. Rods respond to intensity of light, cones respond to color of objects. An inverted real image of the object is formed on the retina. The electric signal generated by the cells are sent to the brain through the optic nerve. The brain reassembles the signals into a meaningful image and gives rise to the sensation of vision. Vitreous humor is a jelly-like substance filled in the space between the retina and the eye lens. It keeps the eye wet. It is mainly composed of water. Blind spot is a small area in the retina where the optic nerves enters the eye. It is insensitive to light, hence it is called the blind spot.